You searched how to buy shares of Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Redhill Biopharma Ltd. is a biopharmaceutical firm listed on NASDAQ with the ticker RDHL, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We'll use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RDHL to find the official listing. Select the NASDAQ entry to make sure you have the correct Redhill Biopharma stock. Open the Redhill Biopharma Ltd. stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the ticker RDHL and the NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio under RDHL, so you can monitor it. For the example platform used, find the link in the description below.